Alright, we're doing the driver's side. Mr. Isaac, 3 screws. And then we'll pop the door panel off. We got the window down so we can get it up the top. Bing, bang, boom. Let's start driver's side. 3 screws. And all the little plastic things you gotta pop. Squeeze it. Get on the other side of it.
What do you mean?
Oh, nothing. Grab it with your hand. Pull it. Both your hands. Yeah, it's better with the tool.
Where's another one?
That's it. You were on it.
I won?
Yeah, didn't you hear it? There you go. Keep going. Keep it going. Shove it in, slide it over, pop. Slide it over, pop. Don't squeeze it. Let go of it. Slide it over, then squeeze it. Nothing's changed. There you go. Don't squeeze it. Shove it in. Slide it over, then squeeze.
Can I do it here?
Yep. We did it here, just the other one.
I don't remember the other one.
Okay. Slide it over, squeeze. Squeeze it just on the end. Slide it over.
I just did that.
Okay. Now squeeze all at the end. You can do it. Move your thumb. Squeeze.
Can't, bro.
Bro, you just did the other one.
It's kind of hard at the end.
Push it all the way, as hard as you can. All the way. All the way. And then squeeze it as hard as you can. There you go. Guess what you're going to do with the next one?
Same thing.
Alright, we'll get this panel off and then we'll show you the insides. Alright, we got the driver's side handle. We have to switch out that lock. This is the part number for it. Let's see if I could do it with one hand. Let's see. So all we gotta do is take this one, turn it. Let's see, which way do we turn it? This way? Guess so. Drop it back in. And turn it. I believe that's it. Yeah, see that little notch there? That's it. It's right in there. Okay, we'll go backwards with it. Drop it back in like the other one. We'll get this one in here. It was a white one. This one's now red. And we'll put back on the door panel. We're missing a couple of clips, but we still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hey, 6, 7. And so we're missing 2 or 3. Alright, we'll get this in, and this will be for the drive side. Drive 96 Tacoma. We'll get the new one in. Looks fine. locks. Let's see if the key works. There you go. Works for me. Works for you. 96 Tacoma 2.4. Doesn't really matter. We did both doors. We'll do the tune-up when they get the right cab and rotor. Like and subscribe.